Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Jesse here. And if you're struggling with your LinkedIn content, so either you're posting a lot of content but you don't get any results, or you spend a lot of time on content without getting any results, this video is for you because in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT specifically to create content in less than 5 minutes and also how our clients get results with it. So let's get started. So I press get started. This is a custom built GPT. So it looks into the instructions and then it asks me a few questions like, okay, what type of content do I want to create and who is it for? So the first thing that I want to do is, let's say I want to write a post about I get likes, but no one DMs me. People engage with my content, but it never really leads to conversations. This is something that a lot of the prospects that I speak to that they struggle with. So like I said, they post content on LinkedIn, they get some likes here and there, they get some impressions, their audience grows, but nothing really happens after that. So let me write a post about that. So the target reader for this post, let's say it will be coaches doing less than $10,000 per month and agency owners struggling with their content creation process. And then last but not least, okay, do I want to include like a case study or something? Not for now. So then I press enter and then the GPT does its magic. So as you can see, then it starts writing a post. You're getting engagement, but not conversions, not clients, just likes from the people who disappear. But here's what most don't realize. Engagement isn't intent. A comment doesn't mean I want to work with you. A like doesn't mean send me a link. And if your content isn't built to create conversations, it won't convert because most people post to get seen, but the ones who win, they post to get spoken to. If you want your content to bring leads, not likes, you need to speak directly to your buyer's brain. So as you can see, it's a very structured post with a call to action towards the end. And this specifically brings in inbound DM. So as you can see, I went to a fully optimized, fully formatted LinkedIn post in a matter of seconds, right? So this is how simple it can be if you know exactly how to set up a GPT and using AI to write content. So let's try a different one. So let me do this. So let's say I want to write a new post. Again, it gives me the instructions before we dive in, 2 things to know. So let's say I don't know how the LinkedIn algorithm works and it prevents me from posting. Again, that's something that I know a lot of the people I speak to have. So let's say it is small business owners who want to use organic LinkedIn content to generate leads and sign clients. So that's the ICP I'm writing for. Again, the GPT then goes to do its thing and they're stuck in algorithm anxiety. I like that. I don't know how the LinkedIn algorithm works. Cool, you don't need to. You don't need to be an influencer. You're here to get leads. The truth, the algorithm doesn't buy from you. People do. Amazing. Stop asking, will it reach more people? Start asking, will it reach the right people? So as you can see, this GPT really gets into the head of my target audience. And again, it ends with a very clear call to action like, hey, if that's something you want help with, DM me LinkedIn Clarity and I will send over the post building framework we use to help clients to get leads without chasing virality. So as you can see, I can just spin up these posts like in a matter of seconds. All I need to have is a few ideas and know who I am speaking to. So this is of course a theory, but if I go to the reality, this is a post that I did a week ago. So I spoke about you're not stuck under 10K per month using, or because you're lazy, you're stuck because you're doing the wrong LinkedIn activities. And as you can see, insane engagement, like almost 14,000 people saw this post, almost 270 likes, 200 comments. And of course, all these signals are people that I can follow up with. And this post is completely written with AI. I just gave the GPT a simple instruction and I'm like, hey, write this post. So that's great, of course, right? A second example here is, this is pretty meta. So I spoke about how we gave our clients access to the LinkedIn content GPTs, similar to the GPT that I just shared you. They loved it. I shared a little bit of the client results. So Cinead got a half a day back. Linda saved 10 to 15 hours a week. Scotty booked a sales call from a post. More on that in a second. But as you can see, the post, again, very structured, very systematically written, decent engagement, like 100 likes, 29 comments. But the beauty of this post is that I think I got like 15 inbound leads. So people are like, hey, send me the details about this program that you're talking about. So this is how powerful this GPT can do. So before I used to spend like hours and hours on LinkedIn content creation, and now with a simple GPT, a simple AI solution, I can literally spin up these posts in no time. And not just me, because if I look at, I mentioned this before, like Scott, one of our clients within the program that we run, he used one of the GPTs to build. So he's like, hey, I used the middle funnel GPT to write a LinkedIn post. The client saw the post and told me on the sales call that they really resonated with what I was saying. So they requested a meeting on my website. This client closed in 7 days. It usually takes me 3 to 4 weeks to close a client. Excited to see the momentum. So he literally booked a 3.5K retainer client with a LinkedIn post generated by AI. So that's how simple this can be. Like he literally used the program to build his own GPT. So now he can literally use that at his disposal, and he can just spin up these posts at will. So instead of spending hours and hours on content creation, he literally knows now how to do this. And like I said, it's a pretty sick result. Like he not only closed a client for 3.5K per month, but it also took him like 75% less time. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to know more information about how we build these GPTs, but also how we help our clients set up these GPTs in their specific business, just hit the link in the description below that gives you to a page with a little bit of information. It's a short video, and if that sounds like something you are interested in, like if you need some help with your LinkedIn game, just book a call with us and I'm happy to chat with you. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.